We begin this leg not at the edge of the sea, but in the heart of the town. Playa Blanca, white beach by name, warm soul by nature. The Insta360 X3 glides through shaded streets and sunlit corners, capturing the rhythm of local life. The town doesn't shout, it hums. A gentle blend of tradition and tourism, where every corner feels curated by time. TripAdvisor reviewers call Playa Blanca charming and relaxed, praising its walkability and clean, well-kept streets. Reviewers often mention the shopping. Not tacky, just tasteful. Great mix of local crafts and essentials. Another review reads, Playa Blanca feels safe, friendly, and welcoming. You can wander without a plan and always find something beautiful. Coming up tucked just off the street, Jack's Candies isn't just a shop, it's a memory machine. A place where barrels brim with colour and every sweet tells a story. A TikTok reviewer summed it up perfectly. Grab your candies from the barrels and enjoy them. It's for young and old alike. past cafes with wicker chairs and chalkboard menus. The scent of espresso and fresh pastries drifts through the air. One traveller wrote, "The town has a lovely vibe, laid back but lively, perfect for people watching with a cortado in hand." The sun beating down. It's nearly beer o'clock again. I think we are going to head to the Irish Anvil Bar down near the port. The selection of beers are really good. €13 for 4 drinks. The food coming out of the kitchen looks good as well, but we aren't hungry yet, so maybe food next time. The town begins to open again. We hear the sea before we see it. The promenade calls us forward, but we linger a little longer in the town's embrace. One traveller summed it up. Playa Blanca is the perfect base. Quiet enough to relax, lively enough to explore. It has heart. Thanks for joining us on our journey of exploring Lanzarote, our holiday destination. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you have enjoyed this episode, and why not subscribe for future videos of our travels.